Masyado pa umanong maaga para pag-usapan kung sino ang napipisil na susuportahan ng Pangulong Aquino na tatakbo sa pagkapangulo sa taong 2016. Ngunit hindi pa rin nakaligtas si Pangulong Aquino nang tanungin siya kung sino ang kanilang i-endorsong kandidato. Isa raw kasi si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas sa nakikita nilang posibleng itulak ng Pangulo sa pagkakandidato ng presidential election. Ngunit sinabi rin ng Pangulo na alter ego niya si Rojas bilang cabinet official, kung kaya't malimit siyang nakikita ng publiko.
The Secretary of the Interior gave calamities that have befallen us, man-made and natural, be of service if we were absent from the scenes. So that is just but a function of the job. And again, I want to get down to the people as much as possible. My alter egos perform that function also for me. Is he being grouped? Our party has not decided on that. We have not discussed it. We are focused on solving the problems of today.